This is a TCL 55US5800. I fixed another TV for a customer and he just give us this one for part. So let's plug it in and let's check it. You hear that sound? It came from this side. Yeah, and that look like it's from the power board. Alright, let's take the TV apart. The screws already removed. Just quick check. Yeah, the capacitors looks okay, I think. These capacitors looks okay. So let's plug it again and see what that sound come from. I hear it in this area, the power supply area. And we have the standby light, is just this one here is gonna keep flashing as well. Alright, let's take the power supply and check it. Alright, quick check the board and we clean it from the dust. Yeah. So we are going to check the solder point, especially the one that's for the MOSFETs, for the big capacitors, transformer. They may have some cracks. All these solder points. But look here, this 2B capacitor is look like it's leaking. You see this brownish? Yeah, maybe that's what is the problem. Yes, clearly now, yeah, there is a leak in that side, the positive side of the capacitor. And yeah, the capacitor just have one side soldered. The other side is completely gone. The positive side or the positive pin is corroded and completely disconnected. Yep, you can see how is the capacitor. So we're going to look for a similar microfarad capacitor and voltage or something close to it. That's a 54 microfarad and 450 volt. I have these two capacitors. Is close enough. Is a 68 microfarad and 450 volt. Two capacitors, the same size, so it will work fine. Yeah, this is a filter capacitor, so like about the microfarad close to it is not going to hurt the board. Yeah, just we need the pin. We need to pinch the pins the other side because the negative side is on the right side of the capacitor. So let's solder it and we go from there. This is a good example. If you see the capacitor looks fine on the top of it, there is no swelling on the top of it, or there is not leaking from the top, doesn't mean it's a good capacitor, because it could be leaking from the bottom. In our case, it's good because the capacitor is leaning on the side, we can see the bottom of it. But if the capacitor is a vertically soldered to the board, it will be hard to check the capacitor. So just we try to look under the capacitor to see if there is any leak, any oil under it. Alright, so let's put no more sound, and the standby light is solid now. Okay, let's power on the TV. Yeah, press the power button. I did see the backlight. Okay, let's see if we have any pictures. Yeah, we have picture. You can see TCL. Yeah, the TV works. So I find these links. It's a little bit matching the TV. Just had to make a little adjustment in the holes to put the screw. And I find there's a remote here, the TCL as well. But yeah, the TV now works. Let's see the sound. Let's click in it and yep, sound works. And now what are we gonna do to this TV? Nobody buying the TVs anymore. Yeah, I have like 5 TVs in sale over a month. I couldn't sell any of them. So when you have like 65-inch Samsung Series 7 4K, perfect condition, brand new, still have the plastic around the screen, and people offering you like $60, it's just like it's not worth to sell it. Yeah, that's how it is. The TV is here. Yeah, the TV market it's very down now, and it's gonna go more down. So yeah, I want to make a video about it, and I may use it just for here, or just watch it by myself. And this all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again.